Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TV365 MS Office. So in this tutorial we'll talk about the currency symbol, how to set, how to apply currency symbol before the price or before the amount. So first of all you need to select the cells where you have to apply the currency symbols. Right click, go to the format cell, then this type of window will be appear and go to the currency. Okay. This is the decimal places. How many number you need after the decimal? You can increase and decrease. So I'll keep 2 since normally the calculation and number shows 2 decimals. Then go to the currency symbol. Here you can see there is a drop down when you can find country wise currency symbol. So you can see here Kannada. So I'll apply few symbols for example. Okay, then you can see the dollar. This dollar is related to the Canada. If you want to change USD, so again go to the same route and then select the symbol. Then Hong Kong dollar. Okay, Jamaica, Singapore. So you can drop down and select. And if Indian people looking for the Indian currency symbol Rupee, so that is also available here. Like in Hindi, it is here. So you can see the Rupee symbol, and Rupee symbol also available in English. So you can see here the Rupee symbol in English India. So just click on this and then OK. So this is the symbol for the Indian rupee. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.